Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in this week. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'll be picking out your energies from past, present and future, and let's see what is going on with my Sagittarius. June 29th till July 4th. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so past, present, future, Sagittarius, 29th of June till 4th of July. Okay. Okay, so the advice for you, the obstacle that is for you for this week is the Page of Swords, and at the back of the deck we have the World card, and what you are not able to see is the King of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Strength, Magician, Nine of Pentacles, Six of Cups. All right, so let's get started now. Let's dig in. Interesting. Okay, so let's come to your obstacles first. So this is the Page of Swords. So this is something, there's some kind of a communication which is in terms of online stuff. So this is like, you have been blocked by somebody, or you have blocked someone. So this is that kind of an obstacle which you're going to face. For you who are already facing this kind of an obstacle, this kind of a thing, which you want to communicate, but it's like you're not even able to see their profile, something like that. You're not able to look at that person's social media account because you have been blocked. You want to communicate, you know that you cannot communicate them in terms of, you cannot call them directly, but at least you can check their Insta feed or Facebook, Twitter, anything, but you're not able to do that. So that is somewhere an obstacle. We are going to clarify this card more in a little bit. Your overall energy is the World card. So this is a process which is ending. Let's see what is something which you are not able to see is the, okay, so it's, all right, I feel that you have been betrayed somewhere. Your intuition knows, from your heart that you have been betrayed. You have manifested for something which was always, some kind of a reconciliation which you have manifested, and you are already manifesting this thing, but you do not know that universe is working for this, for your stability, for your success, for your independency. But there are some things which are quite hidden. You might not know, but you have that area, but you have that feeling that yes, something is going wrong, and I have a feeling that this is not right. Whatever that situation is, that your person might be lying to you, there are some kind of lies, betrayals, you are being victimized somewhere. You are being the one who is done wrong, and that is why there is something, the universe has plans for you, that there is something which is some kind of a start which is coming towards an end. Something is ending over here. Okay, in the past we have the Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Yeah, so there was a breakup, there was a separation, because out of you two there are two people involved in the past. Out of these two people, one person was feeling that I cannot do this, like I do not know where to go, I do not know what to do, which option to take, something. But this was stable, this was something which was very stable, a new beginning, a stable new beginning. It was good, a beginning which was not a decision which was not taken in hasty manner. It was a decision which was taken slowly. The beginning was very beautiful, but it just happened, it was like all of a sudden this person just blocked you, this person just stopped talking, or it was like that kind of a situation. We are going to clarify. In the present, we have 10 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the Moon. Yeah. Stability. I feel that you are more in that stable form where you want stability from the person, from the people around you, because you are the one who always try to give to people. You are like, okay, somebody's coming at my home. Wow, let's make this dinner. Let's make this dish. Some sweet dish also. So something like that. Always always welcoming people at home. Always a very, let's do good to the world, to the people around. But what is coming back to you? It's like something is hidden. You might not even know some situations they are happening, but people who are actually close to you, who you feel that they are close to you, they do not even tell you what they do sometimes. And you think that they are family, but they are hiding things from you. They are not family sometimes, okay? In the coming future, we have the Three of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Queen of Swords. A big transition is coming up towards you in the coming future. I feel that, somewhere, either you are going to say no to this scenario, this kind of inhuman scenario, or you are going to be very abrupt, like, with the Seven of Wands and the Queen of Swords. It's a feeling where you are going to stand up for yourself. You are going to say no for the situation, because you know what is better for you, what kind of situation, what kind of a feeling is better for you. You know what is harmful and what is not. Okay, so with the Three of Cups as well, I'm really getting that for some of you there is a very beautiful social meeting with your friends. You are going to meet your friends, a very happy, sometime for some of you. It's a very let's get together kind of a feeling for some of you. And for some of you, it is a meeting where you are going to say no. So this might be a social gathering somewhere, and you are going to be, you're going to be feeling like, I am not the part of this conversation. No, please, I do not want to be here. Something like that. Let's clarify now. Let's do the clarification. Okay, and if you want a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page, which is by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, let's see. Okay, so why the Page of Swords is there in the obstacle for my Sagittarius, please? Okay, so we have the Ace of Swords, Six of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. Yeah, definitely. This is some kind of a reconciliation from the past, and it is something like you want some clarification with somebody from the past, with somebody whom you want to communicate, but you're not able to communicate. So that is why the obstacle is coming up. Some of you might be able to communicate via online only, via messaging, but I do not see a direct communication, because this has come in the obstacle. So that is why communication issues are coming up. This might be a family member of yours. This can be somebody whom you have been married to. Some kind of, for some of you, I'm really getting that an obstacle in terms of visa. For some of you who are applying for passport and visas. So for some of you, okay, so that is the obstacle which might be faced by some of you. All right, so let's see why the world energy is here. Why the world energy is here. Let me check. Judgment, Four of Swords, and the Lovers. Okay, so this is definitely a process which is ending in terms of love. For some of you, it can be a decision which went wrong, and a decision which is made by you. Finally, you have to deal with it. Sometimes acceptance is the key. and you need to accept some stuff, that if this process is ending, there must be something from the universe. There is a new start for me in the life, because all I have been experiencing in this life, it was all full of betrayals, it was full of deceit, deception, and people have done wrong to me. And what I have done, I have just walk away from the situation. Again, you are walking away from a situation. You have taken a decision, because the judgment call, the judgment has called up for you. So this is your energy, my dear Sagittarius. If you have taken peace with the situation, if you have just thought about the situation, whatever it is, it is good for you. Okay? And that is why I'm really getting, why are you manifesting? So you have manifested somebody, you have been manifesting, I think, that thing which is becoming an obstacle for you in this coming week. It can be that manifestation, it can be that result of that manifestation you have always wanted. You have always wanted that this person should call you or message you, but that is not happening. And that is why you have started accepting some kind of truth in regards with this situation, and you are going to take some decision. This is your inner energies. Basically, this is from your heart, okay? But actions, they are much louder than words, and they are much louder than inner feelings. If you will bring these thoughts into action, whatever your feelings are, because your intuition is very strong right now, if you will start hearing your intuition here, you definitely need to take a step ahead now. That is what the universe is asking you to do. Okay, so why this Three of Swords is there in the past energies for my Sagittarius, please? Sagittarius. Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Nine of Wands. Something happened, like a marriage, an engagement, a relationship, a new start to a relationship, a very beautiful new beginning. See, why I'm saying that this was a beautiful thing, because this was beautiful. This was something, wow. Okay, it was stable, because Ace of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, both in your past energies, they tell me that it was beautiful, it was stable, it was slow at first, it was not a harsh decision taken by anyone. But when we try to continue something, like when we try to continue a decision, a relationship, like whatsoever relationship we want to continue it, like let's let's get married, or let's move in together, something of higher inertia, then a person who is this Knight of Pentacles that I am really getting from some of you, this person, it's always like excuses, like coming up with excuses. No, not right now, I think we should wait somewhere. This person is really an excuse maker, I would say. A person who just wants some break all of a sudden, and they just come back whenever they want. So for some of you it's like that. Some of you, it's like at one time you block me, and at one time you want me to be with you. Why? What exactly you want? Okay, so let's see why this I want to know why this Two of Swords is here in the past energies. Who was the person who was confused? What is this Two of Swords energies in the past? Definitely. Tower, Four of Pentacles, and Hanged Man. Yeah. I really feel for some of you, it was something like this person stopped talking to you at all. It was a kind of blocking you, ignoring, kind of an ignorance which this person was doing towards you. You thought that this was going so beautifully romantic, everything is fine, and all of a sudden this person has stopped talking to me, because the Hanged Man energy is here. No actions taken towards you, I don't feel, and all of a sudden this thing ended. You do not even know the reason, and that is why you want some clarity. You want some clarity, and you are not getting one. It's really tough to say that you will get one clarity, because you might not get, because this person is always hideous. This person might be dealing with someone else as well, like a third party thing. It can be because they're afraid to tell. It's some kind of a ghosting thing. When a person tries to ghost you, once they love to talk to you every time, like all the time. It's you who they want to talk to. They're available, and at one time they are not at all, because they have something else in mind, and they are afraid to talk to you, and they're afraid to face you, and that is why they just stop talking. That is much easy way, to directly talk to a person, confront a person what exactly is happening. It's really hard, and it is much better than not to talk at all. Let's just ignore Sagittarius. Let's ignore. Okay, so justice just fell upon the Ten of Pentacles. So Ten of Pentacles with Justice energy. Okay, so some of you are going through a divorce process. And why this this divorce process, it has also many things. For some of you who are going through this thing, it's a situation where you will never know what will happen, because things are not clear, things are hidden. Moon with the Wheel of Fortune, it's like they can win and you can also win. It is you do not know which one of you will be the one who will be the winner, or whatever in the divorce case, something like that. Let me do some clarifications. Why this Wheel of Fortune is here in the present energies for Sagittarius. Knight of Wands, Nine of Cups, and the Six of Swords. I think with the person with whom you were dealing with was a person who was always like, he was never the person. He was never your person. The feeling was always like, this person can anytime leave me. If they will, if they are like, if they are over, it's like if they are fulfilled, that kind of a feeling where one person is like, okay, now I am done with this relationship, let's move to next, because they get bored. And that is why I am really getting that whosoever this person is, they moved away from this relationship very slowly, and that was the best thing they have thought about, not to talk at all. Just ignore Sagittarius, just do not reply to them. Just tell them that I'm busy, I'm really working right now, I do not have time at all. But it's not the same thing exactly. Actually, it's not the thing. It's just ghosting. Alright, so let me clarify the energies for Sagittarius in future. Seven of Wands. What is the Seven of Wands energy? Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Moon. Wow. Yeah. You are really, you might be going through a process of some deep, anxiety issues. Some people might be going through some depression. But the best way to come out from this depression is the Three of Cups, meeting your friends. See, I know for some of you it's really hard to tell your friends what you're going through, but you need help. For some of you, it can be a mother to you who can help you. It can be a new person around your person, a female person, a female who can help you out, a person who can listen to your problems and who will tell you how to be strong. For some of you, because you know what you need to understand, what you need to learn. The advice for you is how to say no to people. How to say that, no, I am worthy, I am valuable, how to say this. And that is how you will understand. Okay? Let's see why the Queen of Swords is coming up. Because I see strong energies. Why the energies are changing? Because you are very, not weak, but you are very, you are in a state where you really want to communicate to someone, but you are not able to, and especially to that person who has ghosted you, but you are not able to communicate. So that is why you really need to talk to someone. I do not see, to be very honest, I do not see a strong reconciliation with this past person. You want clarity. It's like, if you want to end the stuff, but clear things out, clear the things with me, clear out the things. You do not want the collaboration. I don't see that. You want to say goodbye, okay, then goodbye, but clear the stuff at least. Be a man, okay, something like that. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. Yes, I would take some cards for you as an advice to this situation as well. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see. Sagittarius, some advice for my Sagittarius. Okay, so Ace of Swords, Sun and Justice. So it's time for the clarification, it's time for some clarification to ask yourself rather than the person. See, if you are going through this kind of a process, that is definitely, the clarification has already been given to you by the universe. Basically, the answer, the answer, the Strength card has come up in your energies. The answer. It's just you want to listen to it from someone, but you know the answer. So just be true to yourself and do not wait for this thing to be fine, because it's you only who are going to make yourself fine. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.